Top 4 foods to reduce swelling in your body naturally. Swelling happens when there's inflammation in your body, and swelling can occur under your skin, around your joints, or even inside your joints. This is why it's important that you understand how to stop swelling in your body naturally, because if you don't take care of this problem right away, it will get worse over time. And in this video, I'm going to show you 11 amazing foods that can help rebuild cartilage naturally. Now, number 1 on my list of foods that rebuild cartilage is bone broth. Bone broth contains collagen, which is a protein that our body uses to build cartilage. In fact, our tendons, ligaments, and cartilage contain more collagen than any other tissue in the body. You see, collagen provides the framework for these structures, giving them strength and flexibility. But unfortunately, as we age, we lose collagen, which makes our joints stiff and sore. And this loss of collagen also causes our skin to wrinkle and sag. The good news is that by drinking bone broth, we can help to replace this lost collagen and rebuild our cartilage. Now, bone broth is also rich in gelatin, which is a type of collagen that helps to lubricate our joints. Now, there's a special type of collagen called type 2 collagen, which has been shown to be very effective at treating osteoarthritis. And although bone broth contains some type 2 collagen, it's not very bioavailable. However, there are supplements that are very concentrated in type 2 collagen that are great for rebuilding cartilage. And the best part about taking type 2 collagen is that they have very few side effects. Some people might experience some mild stomach discomfort, but it's very rare that someone is actually allergic to it. All right? Number 2 on my list of foods that rebuild cartilage is chicken with vegetables. And this one's very interesting because you may have heard that eating chicken can cause arthritis. However, this is not true. Now, this myth may have come from an old study that was done in the early 1970s where they fed chickens to a group of people with rheumatoid arthritis, and they noticed that their symptoms got worse. However, since then, we've learned that this was due to the high levels of saturated fat in the chicken that they were eating, and also the fact that they weren't getting enough vitamin D. In fact, several studies have now shown that eating chicken can actually improve symptoms of arthritis. For example, in this study, researchers found that eating 100 grams of cooked chicken breast per day improved pain and function in people with knee osteoarthritis. Now, in order to get the full benefit of eating chicken, make sure you remove the skin before cooking it because the skin contains a lot of saturated fat. And then you want to cook it with healthy oils like olive oil or avocado oil. Then you can add vegetables like carrots, celery, onions, broccoli, etc. And this will give you a complete meal that's packed with nutrients that will help your body heal. And if you eat this regularly, it will also help to strengthen your immune system. Number 3 on my list is fish. Fish is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling in your body. Omega-3s work by reducing the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, such as TNF-alpha and IL-6. These cytokines are responsible for causing inflammation and swelling in your body. So by reducing their production, omega-3s can help alleviate your symptoms. In addition to reducing inflammation, omega-3s can also help lubricate your joints. They do this by increasing the production of synovial fluid, which is a fluid that helps to lubricate and cushion your joints. This can help improve your range of motion and reduce pain in your joints. Now, the best types of fish for omega-3s are salmon, sardines, and mackerel. However, if you don't like eating fish, you can also get omega-3s from walnuts and flax seeds. Now, number 4 on my list of foods that rebuild cartilage is beef liver. Beef liver is a superfood because it's loaded with nutrients that are essential for healing. For example, beef liver is high in vitamin A, which is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy skin and mucous membranes. It also helps to support the immune system and promotes good vision. Vitamin A helps rebuild cartilage because it helps regulate the growth and development of cells in the body. Vitamin A also helps to stimulate the production of synovial fluid, which is a fluid that lubricates and cushions the joints. Beef liver is also a good source of vitamin D, which is a hormone that helps to reduce inflammation in the body. Vitamin D helps rebuild cartilage by regulating the activity of chondrocytes, which are the cells that produce and maintain cartilage. Vitamin D also helps to promote the growth and development of new cartilage cells. Finally, beef liver is high in copper, which is a mineral that helps with the formation of collagen. Copper helps to stabilize the formation of collagen fibers, which are the building blocks of cartilage. Copper also helps to prevent the breakdown of collagen, which is important for maintaining the integrity of cartilage. Number 5 on my list is leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients that fight free radicals in the body. Free radicals can damage cells and cause inflammation, so by eating leafy greens, you can help reduce inflammation and swelling in your joints. Leafy greens are also a good source of calcium, which is a mineral that's important for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Calcium also helps to reduce inflammation in the body. In addition to calcium, leafy greens are also a good source of vitamin K, which is a vitamin that helps regulate the metabolism of bone cells. Vitamin K helps to prevent the buildup of calcium in the soft tissues of the body, which can lead to inflammation and swelling. All right, number 6 on my list is avocados. Avocados are a good source of monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Monounsaturated fats help to reduce inflammation by decreasing the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines such as TNF-alpha and IL-6. Avocados are also a good source of potassium, which is a mineral that helps to reduce swelling in the body. Potassium does this by increasing the excretion of sodium through the kidneys, which helps to reduce water retention and swelling. Number 7 on my list is strawberries. Strawberries are high in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation in the body. In addition to being high in vitamin C, strawberries are also high in fiber, which can help regulate bowel movements and reduce bloating and swelling in the digestive tract. Number 8 on my list is bell peppers. Bell peppers are a good source of vitamin C, which, as I mentioned earlier, can help reduce inflammation in the body. They're also a good source of vitamin A, which can help with cell growth and development, and also improve vision. All right, number 9 on my list is garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Allicin helps to reduce inflammation by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory enzymes such as cyclooxygenase and lipoxygenase. Garlic is also a good source of manganese, which is a mineral that helps to reduce swelling in the body. Manganese does this by activating the enzyme superoxide dismutase, which helps to break down free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Number 10 on my list is turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that's often used in Indian cuisine, and it's known for its bright yellow color. The active ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin helps to reduce inflammation by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines such as TNF-alpha and IL-6. Finally, number 11 on my list of foods that rebuild cartilage is pineapple. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain helps to reduce inflammation by breaking down proteins that contribute to swelling and pain in the body. In addition to bromelain, pineapple is also a good source of vitamin C, which, as I mentioned earlier, can help reduce inflammation in the body. All right, now that you know what foods can help rebuild cartilage, you need to see what drinks can help reduce swelling in your body. And for that, I made this video right here. So go ahead and tap on this video now so you can get instant access. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.